Let us learn about the LU decomposition method to solve the system of equations. So given a system of equations, say let it be this is 2x1 plus x2 plus 4x3 is equal to 12, 4x1 plus 11x2 minus x3 is equal to 33, and 8x1 minus 3x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 20. So this is a given system of equations. So basically what we are going to do is we consider the equation in the form of Ax is equal to B. The coefficient matrix A. What is the coefficient matrix A? That is 2, 1, 4, 4, 11, minus 1. We are writing the coefficients, see here. And then 8 minus 3, 2. We have written this as A. So the coefficient matrix A is going to decompose into the product of two matrices L and U. What are those L and U? Which is nothing but lower and upper triangular matrices. So first of all, what is this? A is nothing but the coefficient, and what are the three unknowns we have? x1, x2 and x3. So this is a column matrix, and B, whatever which is there on the right hand side, that is 12, 33 and 20. We have written this as Ax is equal to B. Okay, so I said L is nothing but the lower triangular matrix. So L11 0 0, L21 L22 0, L31 L32 L33. If you see, only this half, that lower half has some values. So we call it as a lower triangular matrix. And this, if you can see in the diagonal, upper triangular matrix. So 1 U12 U13, 1 U23, and then if you see the diagonal elements are 1. So this is L and this is U, and your given matrix, that is A. You have written only the coefficients on the previous slide. So 2, 1, 4. So this is A. So L U is equal to A. So now we are going to do matrix multiplication. So first row, first column. So L11 into 1. So we have written this here. And then first row, second column. So L11 into U12, that we have written here. Then first row, third column. So L11 into U13, because the other two elements, because of the 0, we are not getting the other two elements. Whereas in the next row, if you see here, L21 into 1. So again, first row, first column, other two elements are 0 here. So L21 into 1 is L21. Then first row, second column, L21 into U12 plus L22. So we got this. Similarly, this row and the third column, L21 into U13 plus L22 into U23. So we have written there. And finally, multiplying the last row, we get this. So this is equal to A. What is A? 214. Now if you see here, corresponding L11 is nothing but 2 here. We are just equating the corresponding values. So L11 is 2. What is L11 U12 in this place? That is first row, second column. We have 1. Similarly, what is L11 U13? We have 4. So we are going to equate these values. So what is L21? 4. What is L31? 8. So I am just going to equate the values over here. So I have written all these values here, whatever I said equal to. So we have written this. So L11 is 2, L21 is 4, L31 is 8. These are the direct answers. And when you see here the second one, L11 U12. So remember, this is nothing but first row, second column value, and this is 1. Now we know what is already L11. So if I substitute here, what is U12? 1 by 2, because L11 is 2. So now you got U12. So you can substitute U12 here. You can substitute L21 already. This is 4. This is 1 by 2. So which implies 4 into 1 by 2 plus L22 is equal to 11. If I cancel this, what I will get? L22 is equal to 11 minus 2, that is nothing but 9. So I got L22. Similarly, we are going to find all the other values. So these are all direct answers that we have got so far. Now by using these answers, 3, 4, 5 answers we got. So now what we are going to do, we are going to substitute here. Okay, so L31 is 8 plus u12 is 1 by 2. L32, this value I don't know. L32 is equal to minus 3. So now I have to take LCM and simplify, and when we simplify you will get L32 as minus 7. Okay. Similarly we have this one, right? L11 U13 is 4. So already I know L11 is 2. So U13 is nothing but 4 by 2. So I got U13 as 2. So we are just going to substitute the values, and finally you will find out all L values and all U values. If you see here, L33, again L32 and L33 we have to find. In this value, what are the known values? L21 I know, U13 I know, L22 also I got here 9 I know. So I have to find U23 from here. Okay, if I substitute all the values, I'll get U23 as minus 1. So now the last equation, L31 we know it is 8, U13 we know it is 2, and L32 we know it is minus 7, U23 we know it is minus 1. So only I have to find this fellow L33, and if you substitute all the values, I'll get L33 as minus 21. So we got completely L values and U values. Now let's continue further. So finally we got entire L and entire U. So you will get a 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so now coming to our problem. So we said our problem is in the form of AX is equal to B, and we have decomposed A into LU, correct? So in the place of A I am replacing LU, and this X is as it is, B is as it is. Now I am just changing the order, that is L into UX is equal to B, and I am naming this UX as Y. So I am saying L into Y is equal to B. Okay, so initially we got L as well as U. Now I am just writing only the L values, whatever we have got. This is L11, L12, L13, whatever we have got, right? Just I am just substituted and formed the matrix L. So this is L, and this is the matrix Y. This is Ly is equal to B, right? We are writing this. So Y is Y1, Y2, Y3. What is Y actually? U into X. That I will write it in the next slide. And B is nothing but what is there in the right hand side of your equation, that is 12, 33, 20. So we have written what is L, Y and B. Now we are just going to multiply this. So first row, first column. So what I will get? 2y1. What is there on the right hand side? 12. Okay. So what is y1? 6. Similarly, we are multiplying with the first row, second row, first column. So what is that? 4 into y1, 4 into y1 plus 9 into y2 plus 0 into y3. So 4y1 plus 9y2 plus 0 into y3. 0 into anything is 0. That is nothing but 33. So I am equating this. Similarly, what is the last equation? 8 into y1 minus 7 into y2 minus 21 into y3 is equal to 20. So finally, where to write the last equation? There is no place. Still, I'll manage to write here 8y1 minus 7y2 minus 21y3 is equal to 20. Yes. Now if you see here, yeah, so finally these are the three equations we got on the previous slide. 2y1 is equal to 12. Therefore from this y1 is 6. Now you substitute y1 as 6 in the second equation. So what we get, 4 into 6 plus 9y2 is equal to 33. So when you simplify, you will get y2 as 1. And then now you got y1 and you got y2. If you substitute here in this equation and simplify, you'll get y3 as 1. So you got y1, y2, y3. So remember, we substituted that ux is equal to y. So already we got L as well as U. Now we are going to use the matrix U. So these are the values. So U11, U12, U13, whatever we've got, we have written it in the matrix format. And this is your X, and this Y is what we have got now. So first value 6, 1, 1. So now we are going to multiply first row, first column. So 1 into x1, 1x1 plus 1 by 2 x2 plus 2 x3 is equal to 6. Again second row, so this value I have equated it to 6, and then second row this column. So 0 x1, then 1 x2 minus x3 is equal to, what is the second value? 1. And this into 0, 0, 0 into x2 also 0. 1 into, finally we have 1 into x3. 1 x3 is equal to 1. Okay. So x3 1. So I got x3 1. If I substitute x3 1 here, what I will get? X2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So x2 will become 2. So x3 is equal to 1. We got x2, 2. Substitute x3 and x2 in this equation, and you will get x1 as 3. So this is your solution. What is your solution? 3, 2, 1 is the required solution. Hope you understood. Practice more problems. Thank you.